here's, and I hope I pronounced that correctly, here's your 331 small block Ford. Just got done running, give you a description of its combination. It's got the Holley Systemax manifold on it. It's got a set of R heads on it. Obviously fuel management all the way to Terminator X, custom ground hydraulic roller. Big front end on it, make sure it all charges for you and everything. Show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,500 or 375 foot-pounds of torque. Torque 384. Peak horsepower 372. So we rated at 380. This little combination. Front end's on about 20, so it runs good. If you're off there getting a crate, come your way. Have a great day.